Most ads fail because they look like ads, but the highest converting ones right now, they look like just regular people speaking to their phone, except they are not even real. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create viral AI UGC ads without filming, without actors, and without even touching a camera. And if you ignore this, well, you're going to be competing with people who are producing 50+ ads every single day for their e-commerce brands. Here's the reason why most people's ads fail. They look super polished and they scream that this is an ad. And also they don't feel native to the platform. The reason why UGC, user-generated content ads win is because they feel native to the platform. But the problem is that real creators are super expensive if you pay them for a UGC ad. They are slow to respond and also very inconsistent. So this is why the market shifted and why some of the best advertisers are not even working with real people. They actually generate these ads using AI in just a couple of seconds. So here's how you make a high converting ad. Step 1 is to find winning angles. This is crucial. If your concept of the video is not strong, it doesn't matter how nice the ad looks, it still might not perform well. But on the other hand, if your angle and your script is really good, you might have a winner on your hand, even if the production is not perfect. You can go to the TikTok Creative Center or even the Meta Ads library or some other tools to find ads which are already crushing it. You want to look for hooks that repeat across winning ads, pain points that trigger emotions, and formats that keep showing up. If an angle worked once in the past, it's probably going to work again. So just remix it, don't try to reinvent the wheel. Then step 2 is to write a high retention script. Here's the structure that most winning ads follow. You have a hook, then you have a problem, it creates agitation, then it leads to the solution, then you lead to proof, and then you have a call to action at the end. Here's an example hook for you. This is why your skincare routine isn't working. You don't want to write like a marketer, you want to write like a customer ranting. Now, angles and script are the hard part. To turn it into a UGC ad fast, I use a software called Create UGC. Let me show you the exact workflow and how you can use it as well. So first of all, if you want to follow along for this tutorial, make sure that you click the link in the description down below where you can get a free 7-day trial. So this is how the platform is going to look for you. This is like the main area where you can find all of your existing videos and also create a new video. You have the assets part where you can actually generate with state-of-the-art AI models like Nano Banana Pro different assets for your AI videos that you can use as well simply by clicking here. And you can either use text to image or image to image to create your assets. Then you also have inspiration videos, so you can actually find other content creators who are already doing really well and again do some research as well to find winning hooks on all the different platforms. And then you have avatar and script, so you can actually have Create UGC write the script for you super easily. You just type in here what you want the video to be about and then click here on help me write a script, and AI is going to write a high converting script on your behalf. You just need to press a couple of buttons. Now, to actually create your new video, just click here on new video, and all you have to do after that is to simply copy and paste a website from your product. So I'm going to use Bloom Energy as an example. This is not a paid promotion for them, but I think their product looks really nice. So I'm going to go ahead, copy, and then paste this link right here. You can also add a product manually here if you want by just simply uploading your images. Now, once you paste it in your link, AI is going to pull all of the information from you from the website, including the actual product images, all the information, and even the product description. Now, the next step here is to choose your video type. So I recommend choosing product in hand to get the most realistic video, and this also uses VO3 as the engine behind it, which is one of the best AI video production tools that is currently available on the market. After this, click on continue, and now it's again analyzing the URL that we pasted in here and doing all of the work for us. All right, and just like that, we have loaded in all of our product descriptions. As you can see, I can actually also select which image I want to use for the model to hold in their hand. So I'm going to pick, for example, this normal Apple can, right? This one. And also it put in here the product name and also the description of the product. Now we can click here on next, and then after that you can choose your video settings. So you can choose the aspect ratio you want to use. You can also choose which platform you're trying to go for. You can even choose the language, which is super important, and the duration. So now we are going to click on next, and after this the next step is to choose the avatar that you want to use for the UGC video. So you can actually filter here by gender, ethnicity, or even add your own avatar if you want to through an image. So I'm just going to go ahead and look at a couple of these options right here. Let's just say I want to go with this one. Okay, so I'm going to choose that lady, click on next, and now it's actually generating a script for us. So you can see this is the script 1 that it came up with. We have script 2 and script 3 as well. So it immediately gives you 3 options, and you can also edit it, as you can see, however you want, right? And yeah, it's pretty amazing. So this one, let's see, I like, this one is pretty good. Tired of energy drinks that are sugary. Sparkling energy gives me focus and a boost with only 10 calories. Go get yours. I'm not saying this is a perfect script right now. Of course, you could go ahead and spend a bit more time on it, but yeah, let's just go with this one. Now we just click here on next, and after that we can confirm on generating our video. Now it's going to take a couple of minutes and actually generate a fully AI UGC ad for us that then we can start running as an ad, posting it to social media platforms, and really just start driving some traffic. And just like that, our video is ready. Let's take a watch.
Tired of sugary energy drinks? Sparkling energy gives me focus and a boost with only 10 calories. Go get yours.
There we go. And if you want to make some further adjustments to it, then we can just click here on edit, or otherwise we can also rename the file here or download it directly. So if we click here on edit, as you can see, we can also change things like, you know, the sizing of it and the scale. We can also make cuts to it. We can add text on it. We can add captions, or even upload our own files. And then once you are done with your edits, you just click here on render your video. And again, it's going to render it for you so you can download it and then start using it for your ads, social media, and really just start driving traffic and then revenue as well for your business. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to try out this tool and make your first AI UGC ad in 5 minutes, then click the link in the description down below to sign up for Create UGC. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next video.